5th of October 2022. It's about 10 to 8 in the morning. And yep, here we go again. Aircraft spraying the sky. See this one above the other one. This one here, look. Following his track. You can clearly see the other earlier dispersions. All spreading out to cover the sky. Sun's rising down the bottom. We have them all over. Not a pretty sight. Variety of sprayers. Also some ribbing going on there, frequencies. Just take a quick look at the trial itself. A bit of close up in a minute. All recorded in a few minutes. Not a pretty picture, is it? And here we go. A hacksaw effect of a drifting contrail. We know what they are. These are not normal. We know what's in store for the rest of the day. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.